Hello, today I'd like to go over some basics on the sketch tool. First, you'll want to be familiar with this top toolbar. The main things you'll want to pay attention to are line color, fill color, you have select here, then you've got the shapes along this line up here. You can create circles, you can create squares, anything you don't want you can just select and delete. And then here we have Polyline. I like to do Polyline for certain things, for rooms that aren't perfectly square, maybe a room with a fireplace or an L-shaped room. And to use the Polyline tool, what you'll want to do is you'll want to click to select the first point, drag it to the next point to create an angle. So I'll click and then go over here, click again, click again, click again. I'm going to make up my little fireplace right here. And then whenever I'm finished with that image, I'm just going to double click. And now I've got my room with a fireplace. If this is an image that you think you might be using on a regular basis, what you can do is you can right click and copy. And then you'll just move your mouse over to this bank over here on the right hand side and then right click and paste. Now you have this icon down here that's called title. You'll have to edit this so that you'll know this is the correct icon. So what you'll do is you'll right click and hit change type and name. I'll call this one room with fireplace. You can add a description if you'd like, it's not necessary, but once you're done you can click OK. And then I'd like to edit this icon so that I know what that image looks like before I select it. So what I'll do is I'll right click, edit icon. I'll click this little X to start from scratch and get a blank image. And I'll use the little line tool here to create an image that will resemble the one I've just created. It doesn't have to be exact, but just so I've got the idea of what's in there. Once you're done, click OK. And now I've got room with fireplace. So later on, when I don't have this in here, I can just select room with fireplace, click and drag it into the image. If the dimensions aren't perfect, you don't have to worry. All you have to do is select the corners and adjust the image to fit your needs. Hope this helps.